1, 2, 3, and 4. Hit 5, hold 6. Flip her around. Hit again. Free spin it. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rinse and repeat. Level 1 look like this. Leaders rotating back to the left, opening your follow's hip. It goes 1. As she goes forward for 2, she's going to continue that rotation. Leaders sliding into that spot for 4, 5, and 6. Same thing works for the other hand. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now we can switch hands onto. It goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Now instead of just switching hands, I hook under her armpit. 1, 2, rotate the mixer, hooking under there for 4, bring her down for 5, up for 6, sliding down, open her up, spin, 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 spin. Then the whole move, the double dip flip, looks like this. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, hit 5, hold 6, flip her around, hit again, free spin it, 1, 2, 3, and 4, rinse and repeat. I'm DJ JohnPaul, this is the lovely Jessica. Thank you so much. Now let's do a mixer, and you can do whichever level you want. High five and rotate.